fantastic academic journey with Skills River Solutions Private Limited. So, team, please put the session on record. I would request Mr. Upendra Kumar Tiwari, sir. Good evening, sir. Please, you can start the session. The session is all yours. Thank you, everyone.
Okay.
Enjoy the session.
Thank you, sir. So, hi everyone. Good evening. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, Upendra, you are audible. Very, very good evening to you.
Okay. So, before that, I just wanted to know how many of you are going to learn this Python for the first time?
Upendra, sir, it's for me, first time.
Okay. Others? All right. And Dr. Aarti?
So
Siva?
yeah, I have a knowledge of Python already.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
For me, it's a complete from the beginning, from the scratch. But I use Python for small project. Of course, using ChatGPT was guide me, but now I want to go deep down more about the Python.
Okay. That's great. So that means I'll have to start from the scratch. So just wanted to, take the context as well as the, yeah. So that's great, everyone. So first of all, what we will do, we'll install Anaconda in our system. How many of you have Anaconda in your system? Okay.
Upendra, sir, sorry, my call was this. Can you please repeat it again?
I was asking that, do we have Anaconda in our system?
I think no, sir. No.
Okay. So everyone, so yeah. So let's do one thing. First of all, we'll be downloading the Anaconda. We'll be installing it, and then we'll start the session. Means we'll start discussing. Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll do that.
Yeah. Let me share my entire screen. So everyone, I hope my screen is visible to you all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's visible now.
Okay. Now just go to Google and search Anaconda download for Windows. Yeah. Anaconda download for Windows, and please click on the first link that we are getting. And here you can see there's a skip registration option. There's a skip registration option. And the moment you will click on it, see, you'll get here, and simple, you have to download this Python 3.12. You have to download this Python 3.12. Do it, everyone. Do, and if you face any challenges, do let me know. Yeah, I have shared the link also. Okay. So, Mr. Raif, you have downloaded or you have installed it?
No, I have it installed a long time ago. It's
Okay.
3.
Okay. So, all right. So everyone, please download this Anaconda, and then it's a very simple process to install it. But yes, it is. I think the entire process is going to take around 15 minutes. So we'll do it. Yes, Mr. Rajesh. Yeah, please ask. You have raised your hand.
Sir, a quick question. It
Huh.
is showing the download success. So what next step we have to just follow?
Can you show me your screen?
Sure, sir. Just allow me a minute. Let me know whenever you see my screen.
Yeah, I can see.
It is
So
showing
that
like
means
that.
you have downloaded. That means
It,
you have downloaded. Now
okay.
go to your downloads folder.
Okay.
Go to your download folder. I think you have shared a particular window.
Oh,
Is
yes,
it
yes.
Tarun?
You are saying right.
Yeah, please share your
Okay.
entire screen.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, Tarun, I cannot see your screen.
Yes, sir, I have actually
Okay.
retried it once again.
Yeah. Show me your that folder, downloads folder.
Okay. Sure. I think there might be something. This, this.
See, when you click on the share screen option, yeah,
Yes, yes.
there is
Yeah,
a
you are
entire
saying right.
screen option.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So you have to click that entire screen, and then when you
Sir,
will click on share now.
I have tried, but unfortunately, it's not sharing. Basically, it doesn't allow me to share the entire screen. Okay, let me try it again one more time. Just give
Okay.
me a second.
Okay. Yeah.
Present. Uh, Upendra sir, now
Yeah.
are you able to see my screen, entire screen?
Yeah. Just go to the download folder.
Okay. From here, I can see, I think, this one, download. Hmm.
Yeah. Click on downloads.
Sure.
Yeah.
This one, no, 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 no. It's
Yeah,
wrong.
but hold on. But your Anaconda have not been installed, downloaded yet.
Okay,
See, it is, can you go up? Can you go up,
sure,
up?
sure.
See, it is showing the unconfirmed something like, yeah, this Anaconda, now it has been downloaded. Can you
Okay,
do double click on this Anaconda 3 2024?
sure. So you want me double click? Okay, doing now.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. So, yeah.
Upendra sir, I think the entire
Yeah.
process would take
No, no. Click on
approximately
next.
10 minutes.
Click on
Okay,
next.
yes.
I agree.
Okay.
Yeah, click on I agree.
Okay, it is just we recommend or all
Yeah.
users require admin
Yes, yes,
privilege.
yes, yes, yes.
Sir, which one?
Next,
First one?
next. Yeah.
Simple. Okay.
Next. You don't have to
Okay.
change this path.
The folder
Mm.
contains in one space. This can cause a problem several content packages. Please consider removing this space.
There is some problem with the space here. Okay, no worry. Can you click on OK?
Okay.
Uh, click on install.
Sure. Okay.
Click on next. If there will be any space problem, then it will not continue. Otherwise, it will be completed. Okay. Yeah. So Dr. Aarti have installed. Rajesh, what is your status? Okay.
I think it will not make more than 30 seconds, I would say.
Yeah. Okay. So installation is in progress.
Yes, sir.
So everyone, are you facing any challenges? If not, then let's wait until your installation is completed. And if you face any challenges, do let me know. I'm waiting for your call so that we can start the Python programming. Yeah. Okay. So Suresh have done installation. Dr. Aarti have done. Alia has also done. Okay. No worries. We'll be waiting for the Tarun so that we can start.
I don't know, sir, exactly, but it is now slow down. Don't know what is that exactly
No,
has.
at the end, it gets slowed down. So we'll
Okay.
have to wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's okay. That's fine.
Mhm. So Tarun, I hope for you also it have been done, isn't? Okay, it is
Uh,
working.
uh, it's okay, sir. I think it
Yeah,
will take
understand.
more than 5 minutes.
Understand. For some laptop it takes, so we'll be waiting for another 5 minutes. Otherwise,
Sure,
you will be continuing and uh, will be discussing some background. Even
sure.
in case of Rajesh, also the installation is progress. So let's see. We'll be waiting till the yeah. So we'll be waiting till another 8 or 9 minutes, and then we'll discuss. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay, sir.
Hello, everybody. How are you? Good evening. Sorry for coming late.
Hi, Dr. Wallet. No worry, you're not late because right now we are
You
just
are,
in the installation process of the
yeah, you are
Anaconda.
answering Anaconda and Jupiter, I guess.
Yeah. So pupils are installing the Anaconda, and
All
once
right.
it will be installed, then we'll start doing discussion of the
Thank you.
Python.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So I think typically it doesn't take this long. Maybe because of the memory issue, it's not loading. I don't know.
In your
Uh,
case, Mr. Islam?
No, I have it installed. Yeah.
Okay. So, see, it takes actually in the last time, at the last end, it takes some time.
No, but not this long.
No worry, we'll start. Okay. So, Rajesh, what is your status? Can you show me your screen? So, Tarun, can you stop sharing?
yes, sir. I'm just stop presenting
Hmm.
right now. Once it will stop, I will let you know.
Sure. So,
Okay.
Rajesh, okay, installation is completed. All right, everyone. So, let's tighten your belt to start the session. So, basically, I tell you that whenever you will have the install Anaconda in your system, then you need to open Jupyter. Why need to open Jupyter? Because on Jupyter, we are going to write the code. It's another platform or ID, I can say. And the beauty of this Jupyter is what that it provides the modularization concept, so that the learning of the code will be easier. Yeah. Before that, see, some of you have worked with the data in form of the spreadsheets or the database or the reports. Yeah. So whether you are the complete beginner or have some experience, I think you have realized that the data is everywhere. Yeah. And today, we'll be trying to learn the Python. And why? We just want to see that how this Python is relevant, how the Python is relevant for our data science, how the Python is relevant for the data analysis, isn't? So basically, the course or whatever we'll be learning here, it will be aligned with the data analysis, isn't? There are certain concepts that we need to understand to work on. Yep. This is something like whenever you have to, to write a paragraph, first of all, you need to understand the alphabets. In the same way, if you want to, write the code in Python for doing your analysis, for building your model, then obviously, first of all, we need to know about the flora and fauna of this. We need to know the basic syntax of using it. Then only we'll be able to perform the analysis for the larger data set. Isn't? So with this word, I'm just going to start the programming. Now, the another question arises, everyone, that why Python? Why not other programming language? Why Python? Why not other programming language? So the first thing I tell you that why this is because, this Python is very versatile. So the first reason why we'll be using Python, why we're not learning any other programming language. So the first property you can say of this Python is that it is very versatile. This is very versatile. So when I'm saying versatile, that means what? That means, even through this Python, you can analyze the data, you can visualize the data, or even, we can do predictions too. Yeah, you can do prediction too for the future. So this Python is really very, very versatile. This is one of the reasons that why we are learning Python. The another is ease of learning. This is very easy to learn. So what is the meaning of ease of learning? So obviously, my dear friends, see, if you have to learn any language, let me ask anyone, yeah? So if you have to learn any language, then obviously you need to understand its grammar. Yes or no, everyone? If you have to learn, yeah. So, if the grammar will be very easy to learn, then obviously you will very soon learn that particular language. The grammar that I'm talking about in programming concept, this is called as syntax. That grammar is actually called as syntax. So the syntax of the Python program is very, the syntax of the Python program is very simple. Yeah, this is very simple. It is very straightforward. Yeah, so the syntax of the Python is very simple as well as very straightforward. You don't need to put your mind much to understand it's happening. So even if you are the first time learning any programming language, if this is the first time you are going to learn any programming language, still you can easily understand it. That means before this, if you have not gone through the programming language, still you will feel very comfortable to learn this. Yeah. The another thing is that, there's a very rich ecosystem. There is a very rich ecosystem to learn. So, the beauty of this Python is what? If you have to convert from Python to Excel, we have libraries. If you want to do the data analysis, we have the NumPy and Pandas. If you want to visualize through graph and chart, we have Matplotlib, Seaborn. If you want to connect your Python through any database, we have Alkyme. If you want to, use this Python for the for the testing, yes, we have the library. That means, this is a very vast, you can say this Python programming language is very enriched library, where whatever problem you want to solve, there is one library. There is at least one library in Python through which you can do that. So in nutshell, again, I can say that this Python is having very rich ecosystem. Yeah. Second thing, everyone, it meets industry standards. It meets industry standard. What does it mean? So like, we have the companies like Google, Netflix, or even NASA. They're using Python for their data analysis. So can you imagine that if these companies are using this Python, so up to what extent this Python will be covering the industry standards? Yeah. So dear friends, this is why this Python is really very necessary. This is why this Python is really very important. This is why the Python has covered the entire market. The Python has captured the entire market. Yeah. So because of this, learning of Python is very crucial. And since you are the first time going to learn it, so, I'll start from the scratch. And yes, there are some learners, might be that they would have worked on the Python before. So for them, it could be a revision. And I know that most of you are going to learn it for the first time. Yeah. So might be that for those who have already learned this Python, for them, the first session is going to be a bit not boring, I'll say, but yes, like a revision. And I'll suggest you that if you will have any interesting case study related to any particular topic, and you want to share with us any interesting experience if you have related to the coding, you can share that. Because in the interview, I know that there are a lot of experienced people with us, but still I tell you that in the interview, sometime your interviewer asks that, okay, tell us any challenging task that you performed, or tell us any challenging project that you have worked, and what was that challenge? Okay, so yeah, so let's start this Python. So everyone, I hope my screen is visible. Everyone, please go to search. In this search option, you just simple have to type Jupyter. You simple have to type Jupyter, and you guys will see this Jupyter notebook. This Jupyter notebook, you have to click on it, then the server will start, and this home page will come. Do this, everyone. Do until here.
Sir, it is showing install Jupyter Lab.
No,
Okay,
no,
sir.
no.
Which one?
You have to open Jupyter notebook.
Okay,
Yeah.
Jupyter Notebook.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Mr. Abdul, again, go to search option. Just write a Jupyter, and you'll be getting Jupyter notebook.
Okay,
Yeah.
just
Jupyter notebook. Okay. Once you will click on it, first of all, your Jupyter server will start, and then any of the browser you'll be seeing. In any of the browser, you're going to see that editor. In my case, you see, I'm seeing this in the Edge.
sir, I'm not able to download. Can you just please help me? Mm,
Show
I'm
me
just
your
sharing my
screen.
screen.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, let me know whenever you see my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, screen is visible.
Okay.
So what is your question, Tarun? No, 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 no. You don't have to search from. No, 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 no,
It
no.
is Jupyter Notebook. This one?
No, not this one. Okay. You have not shared your entire screen still, I think. Okay.
Okay.
Can you see the search option? Just write to your Windows icon in the
Sure. Yes. I have.
right. Type there only JUP. You'll get it.
Okay.
Why your entire screen is not visible?
Okay. Just allow me a second. I think I will be connected now. Stop it. Hmm. Now it will be it's interrupted. Yes, sir. Open it, sir. I think it's now. So should I write JUP
Hmm.
on the search option? Is this you're talking about?
Yeah.
Jupyter. Okay. So should I
Click on
click on
this.
this location?
Yes.
Jupyter notebook. Okay. Just a minute. So this is lab extension.
Hmm.
This one.
Why
So
this is
these are.
happening? Okay, go on. 1 second. Have you installed the Anaconda?
Uh, I think it will take another because just
No, no. If you
it is
if you have
downloaded.
not installed, then how you can get it?
Okay, that's fine. That should I know now. I think it
So
will take not know the
Hmm.
exact time, but yes. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
uh,
Sir,
Hmm.
now you can proceed.
yeah, sure. So yes, Abdul. What is the problem?
So for Abdul, I think it is regarding a search window in Mac system.
Okay.
So in Windows, we have a search separately. So Mac doesn't have a
Hmm.
search option, right?
Yeah. So Abdul, can you show me your screen? Okay. So see everyone, either you know we have this new or the upload. Let's say you have written any Python file, you have written any Python code, and you have downloaded that file. So you can upload it again in the Jupyter environment, or if you want to write a new code, if you want to create a new file, you will have to go to the new. I'll click on this new. See, in this new, there's a Python 3 IPY kernel. I'll be selecting this one. I'll be selecting this one, and then after,
So are you sharing the screen?
yeah,
Not able to see.
Sir, it is not visible. Can you just try it one more time?
yeah, sure. Now, can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
it is not visible.
so I was saying that either you can click on the new or you can click on the upload. This upload is used for those who have already, the Python file or the file that on which they have already worked. Now they want to upload it. Let's say I'm just going to the upload. See, if I go here and just check it out, let's say, for example, this customer purchase behavior, can you see there is a Python file? There's a Python file. I can upload it. Yeah.
Sir, I have a quick question. Sorry, but how can we recognize that it's a Python file? Sorry for this question.
See, .ipynb extension. Can you
Okay.
see, Tarun?
Yes, sir. Now I can see.
Yeah. So whenever you will be working on Jupyter, the Python extension will be ipynb. When you will be working on Spider, the extension will be .py. But since we are working on the Jupyter, so we'll be focusing towards it. So the extension is going to be .ipynb. .ipynb. Yeah. So let's create a new file. So we'll be going to this new. In this new, there is a Python 3 IPy kernel. We'll click on this. Isn't? And here you're getting this interface. Now we will just write here Python underscore skills revo underscore. Let's say I'm giving the today's date. Fine. So we have simply renamed the file. Okay. In this, you can see here that first thing, we have this cell. This cell will be used to write the code. Here we'll be writing the Python code to work upon. Okay. So let's say we are simply writing the print hello world. Print hello world. Fine. Yeah. Now, if you want to execute this code, simply click on this run button and see, this is giving us the outcome. This is giving us the outcome. Yeah. First of all, try this, everyone. Try this first, and then we'll work on. So just wanted to, first of all, feel comfortable through this interface, and then we'll move further.
Pradip sir, sorry for interruption. Now, installation has been completed for Anaconda.
Yeah. So follow the same steps that I had said, Tarun.
Sure, we'll do that.
Yeah. So the agenda of this line is only to just to let you know that how to run the code. Guys, are you able to run it? Anyone who is facing any challenges?
Yes, please. Excuse me, can you repeat the step again?
Okay. Can you show me your screen, Alia, so that I can tell you, and other could also see? Yeah, please show me your screen.
Here is I go to new
Go to file. Yeah.
Okay.
Go to file first.
Where? Here?
Can you see that file menu?
This one.
Miss Alia, are you sharing your entire screen or a particular window?
This one, you mean?
Yeah, click on this new
Okay.
notebook.
New, then notebook.
Notebook. Yeah.
Okay.
I think you have shared your window instead of the entire screen.
Yes, yes. Now it's okay.
That's why I'm not able to see. But I think you can work on, isn't?
Yes.
Okay.
Fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, everyone, can anyone tell me what is variable? What is variable?
So it's a placeholder where we can store values.
Yeah. Okay. So it's a, so that means like, so how many of you do agree? So let me open the paint for discussing these things.
Hello, good evening. This is
Yeah.
Abdul.
Yeah, hi,
Can
Abdul.
you please help me to download this?
Yeah, show me your screen.
1 minute. Jupyter Notebook. Is it? I'm using Mac. This is the problem, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Wait a minute. I'll just share the screen. Do you see my screen?
Yeah, now you can see.
Yes. This is Jupyter, right? Is it the same one?
Yeah, click on Jupyter Notebook.
Okay.
That means you have pip install Jupyter, pip install Notebook. Have you installed Python?
No.
So, in your case, you need to do it. Anyway, you don't require to do that. Just go to Google. Write here Google Colab.
Collab, right?
Press enter. Open this. Yeah. Okay, go to new notebook. New notebook in the bottom.
Right.
So this is something like the interface of the Jupyter.
Right.
Yeah. So now you can see if you want to write the code, there is a code option. So simple, you also write here print hello world.
Here or plus code?
Yeah. No. Just in the cell. Yes. Right here print. And inside the, that should be inside the bracket. And it's a string, so it should be inside a single quote or double quote. Yeah. In the last also. Now, either you can, Abdul, you can enter control enter, or you can click on the arrow. Now, please click on the arrow. Yeah, so first of all, its RAM is initializing.
Here,
It's fine. You just wait. Yeah, see, it is working, isn't?
right.
And you know that untitled something IPONB have been written untitled 0.IPONB. Can you see in the top untitled
Yes,
0. Yeah,
right.
you can rename it.
That's it. Done.
Yeah. Okay. And Abdul, another thing, if you want to download this file, go to file. There's a file menu now. Bottom,
Yeah.
below, sorry, below.
Finder or file?
No. In the Google Colab itself, there's a file menu now.
Yes.
Yeah. Click on it. There's a download option. Can you see?
Right.
There's a download IPv1b. So don't click, but yes, you can download this file. Can you maximize this screen again? Yeah. Can you click on this? Can you close this release notes? Yeah. Now you can work
Hello,
along with
is
me.
it audible?
Yes, yes,
Sir,
Rajesh.
I'm just struggling to access this Jupyter notebook.
Let me
Yeah.
check. Let me check. So, Mr.
Thank you.
Abdul, even
Yes.
yeah,
Same here as
now
well.
you can work on this Google Colab. Yeah.
Thanks.
So, yes, Rajesh, show me your screen.
So 1 second.
Sure.
Share screen.
There's a up. You're not able to share.
1 second. Yeah, sir. It's not showing option for me. Full screen.
No. There's an up arrow. Can you see? Present now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on this.
Download app arrow.
Open,
Can you see?
open the same issue I have also. Can I share my screen with you quickly, just for writing?
1 second, Tarun. Let him share first.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just trying arrow. Okay.
Can you see that raise hand option, Mr. Rajesh?
Yeah.
Left to this,
Present.
there's
Okay.
a up arrow.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, sir. Entire screen, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry. Yeah, I got it now. What happened? Sorry, the error encoded screenshot. Please try it again. I think some error got.
Okay. Can you see this again? Raise hand option. Okay.
Let me try it again.
Mhm.
It's showing like sorry, an error occurred when sharing screen. So I'll check, sir, how it goes like.
So,
Tarun,
Mr. Rajesh, you can do one.
Meanwhile, yeah, Tarun can share the screen.
Yeah, sure.
No,
I'm
but
just sharing
yes,
my screen.
Mr. Rajesh.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, you please leave the session and rejoin it.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
It will work.
Okay.
Yeah, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, okay. So I'm just gonna be the UP. This one. It is showing some programming language, this kind of, no?
No, no, hold on.
Just okay.
See,
Just
your server is not started.
okay, okay.
No worry. Can you go to that Microsoft Edge?
Okay.
Can you see Microsoft Edge, Tarun?
Yes, yes, yes.
Open it.
Should I open a new window?
It's fine.
Okay.
But the Jupyter have not started yet, isn't?
Yes, yes, yes. Just let me try it one more time.
Yeah.
It is only I can find that Jupyter
Yeah. Click
notebook.
on this.
So
Run
this
run
one.
as administrator. Yeah, Jupyter Notebook. Run
Okay,
as
okay, okay. Run as
administrator.
done, done.
Yeah, just wait for a moment.
Sure.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, Mr.
Yeah, yeah.
Akbar.
Actually, uh, in Jupyter, I'm not able to rename the file.
I'll just check it out. Give me 1 minute. So, Tarun, is it happening?
I think it is in progress.
Okay. Once it is started, do let me know. And if it is not starting, still let me know. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. You can continue. Okay.
Yeah. So, Mr. Akbar, you please share your screen.
Sir, how to share?
There's a up arrow. Can you see that hand option? Raise hand.
Yes.
Left to this, there's a up arrow.
Up arrow.
There's a arrow, no? Left to this.
Not able to find.
Okay, no worry. Akbar, can you see that audio option mute and mute?
Yes.
Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth option. Fifth option. There's an arrow, no? Present now.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Click on this.
Yeah.
Then entire screen. Select your entire screen.
Okay. Are you able to see?
Not yet. Can you try it again?
There are two options coming. One is share. Share is not button is not there, and cancel is there.
How this is happening?
Okay, okay.
First, click on the entire screen. First, click on entire screen. Yeah. Now it has started to share.
Share. So I have written print hello world.
Huh. Now click on the run.
Mm,
No, not
Where
this
is
one. Not this. Can you see black arrow?
black?
Okay, hold on. Just go up. Can you see Caesar option?
Run.
Below to this. Just below to this. Black arrow. Yeah, run.
This one.
Yeah, click on this. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Can you click on untitled?
Untitled.
Up. Yes, up.
Okay.
Click on this. You can rename it. This is the name of the file.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, everyone.
And even I have installed Python also. So it is already been installed.
Yeah. It is
Yeah.
already there in your
Yeah, hello,
system.
sir. Rajesh here.
Yes, Mr. Rajesh.
Yeah, I just want to go with the Jupyter.
Sure. So show me your screen.
Yeah, let me share my
Yeah.
screen.
So you please stop sharing, Mr. Akbar.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, I have shared my screen, sir.
Hmm.
You need to type Jupyter, right?
Yeah, in the search option, not here.
Okay.
No. Can you see window icon in the bottom taskbar?
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
now here write Jupyter. Can you see that option, Jupyter Notebook?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Click
This
on
one,
it.
right?
Click on it.
Okay.
Now you'll have to wait. Your server is starting.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Now automatically your browser will be open.
Okay.
So, see?
Yeah, it's hosting local.
Yeah. So now you remember what we have to open?
Go to run now.
Not
File.
one. 1 second. There's a new option now. New. In the top right. Yes, right side. Right. Yeah. Yes, first one. Yes.
Python.
Hmm.
Okay, this I need to rename, right?
Yeah, you can rename it.
Okay, I'll do that soon, sir. Yeah,
Yeah.
fine. Thank you. Let me stop this.
So everyone, now what do you have to do? You have to take two number. Yeah. Let's say the one number is 5, another is 6. You have to do addition of this and print the result. You have to take two number. You have to take two number, add them and print the result. Yeah. So just like we were printing the hello words, obviously, you need to print the number, print the result also. Try by yourself and do the mistake. Try by yourself and do the mistake. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this, not 2 minutes, even 5 minutes for this. See, whether you are understanding the problem or the solution or not, I don't know, but 5 minutes you have to try. So what is my problem statement? You have to take two number. You have to take two number, do addition of this and display the result. You know, whenever you have to display anything, you will be using print function. You'll be using print function. Yeah. So try this for the 5 minutes. Whatever research you can do that. And then I'll interfere. Okay, everyone. So how you were trying to do that? See, whoever has done it's fine. Whoever was trying to do that, what was your process? Can anyone tell me? Dr. Aarti, I hope you have done it, isn't?
Yeah, yes, exactly.
Yeah, yeah. So, uh, anyone else? See,
Yeah, just
simple
type 5 plus 2, that's all. I mean, whatever
5 plus 2,
numbers.
isn't? Okay. So Arya has also done. How you have done it, Arya?
Yes, sir. So I have given a variable a equal to 5 and b equal to 6, and I have just printed a plus b.
You have printed A plus B. Okay. So that means everyone, whenever you have to take the value. Whenever you have to take the value, you'll be taking them inside the variable. Yeah. For example, A equals to 5. A equals to 5. What is the A here, Mr. Rajesh? What is the A?
It's a variable.
It's a variable. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is holding some value.
Yeah.
Isn't? So what was our problem statement? So our problem statement was take two number and do sum of it. Yeah. So the one A equals to 5, another, let's say I'm taking B equals to 6. Okay. Now I have to take sum of it. How can I write it, Mr. Rajesh?
Print bracket A plus B.
Or
Mm,
let's say I'm taking
yeah,
another
no idea.
variable C and I'm
Yeah.
writing A plus B.
Okay.
Fine. C
Yeah.
equals to A plus B. And then simply I'll be writing print C.
C.
Print C. 11.
Okay.
Yeah. So Tarun, Raif,
Yes, sir.
and Akbar. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay.
Tarun, just want to ask how you can enter on the Python. You
Sorry.
press enter, how to press it? You write a equals, for example, a equals 1, then you press enter or arrow key to be a second line.
Enter. Enter.
Oh, okay, because when I press enter, it's going to the second cell.
No, no, enter C. Enter.
Okay. Good.
I hope all of you have done it, isn't? Now, everyone, the way we have done this, please find out, please find out the area of a right angle triangle. Please find out the area of the right angle triangle and display the area. Yeah. And how the area of the right angle triangle is calculated, everyone? How the area of the right angle triangle is calculated? Who will tell me? How the area of the right angle triangle is calculated?
Half into base into height.
Half into base into height. In
Yeah.
simpler word, I can say 0.5 into base
Point
into
5
height.
into base into height.
Yes. So everyone please take the value for the base and height and calculate the area of a right angle triangle. Calculate the area of a right angle triangle. Do it, everyone. I'm giving you 3 minutes for this. Do it. I think everyone, is it done? Siva, Mr. Rajesh, Tarun, Suresh, Akbar? Yeah. So obviously, so you know that there are two values now. One, the base, and another is height. So you require two variable. So for the base, let's say I'm taking 20. And for the height also I'm taking 20. Isn't? So what is the formula for the area? So let me take another variable area. And then I'm writing here area equals to point B in, sorry, 0.5 into 20, already we have to B into H. Yeah. So this is the area. Now if I have to print, then I can take here print area. See, 200.0. Yeah. I hope this is done, everyone. Isn't? isn't? So whoever have done, please write +1 in the chat so that I can move further. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah. Okay. So everyone, you see here that first thing you would have noticed that this particular code is working for the 2020 only. It cannot work for other than the 20 because we have already given the 20 here. Now, not only this, we can take the value from the user. We can take the value from the user. How? Let's say I'm telling here p equals to int, and then I'm writing here input enter the base, enter the base. Fine. Yeah. So first of all, this input has opened, so it will be closed. Then after that, int. In the same way, if I talk about the h, so int input enter enter the value of height. Fine. Now here, the moment you calculate here, the moment you write here, a equals to 0.5 into b into h. Yes. Now simple, you can print this, print a. Now if I run this, let's say, okay. Now let's say, I'm just giving the value of base as 20 and the height is as 10. Now you can see here that this is giving me the outcome 20 into 10, 200 into multiplied by 0.5, that is 100. So in this way, you can perform. And if I again run it, so see, this time you can give some other value. Let's say I'm giving here 10, then also 10, that's it. So see, it means, this program is not bounded to work for any particular value. Instead of this, whatever value you'll enter, this program will be working for this. Yeah. So how can we do that? How we can take the value from the user? So from the value from the user, we can take through input function. For displaying the value, you are taking print function. Just to take the value from the user, you'll be taking input function. Yeah. In this way, we can work upon. So guys, now let's do one thing. We'll take a break. the break of 10 minutes, and we'll be back at 23:45. Okay, everyone? We'll be back at 23:45 and then we'll move further. Yeah. All right. So, so whenever you have the variable, the purpose of the variable is what? To take the value, to hold the value. Now, this variable can take the value, of integer, of float, of string, or boolean. That means I am talking about the data types. That what could be the different types of data we may have. So data could be integer. Integer means it will be a complete number. It will be the complete number, or the data could be float. What could be the float? Anyone? What could be the float?
With decimal value.
With decimal values, isn't? That could be the float. Another what could be there? The another is that could be a string. Remember, we were writing inside the single quote or the double quote. So that is a string, isn't? So any character or any paragraph or any word, if you want to write it, then you will have to write it inside the single quote or double quote. Yes, if you have to write them, then it could be right in a single quote or the double quote. So that is called as a string. Yes, and there is one which is called as boolean, and that is really very interesting. What is the purpose of the boolean? So this is used to return the true or false. For example, whenever you do any comparison, then the result will always be either yes or no, either true or false. Yes, if I ask you 5 is greater than 5, 5 is greater than 5, is it true or false, everyone?
False.
False. So here you are not going to return any value. As a result, you're not going to return any value, isn't? Except you're going to tell that it's true or false. So whenever you do any compare, if your result is going to come up after the comparison, then obviously you'll be trying to take boolean value for this. You'll be taking the boolean value for this. Fine. So for a simple data type, you have the integer, float, string, or the boolean. Clear, everyone? Yeah, I think this is clear. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So see, in the other programming language, or I can say that in the traditional programming language, in the earlier programming language, what we were happening in the earlier programming language, we had to mention that which kind of data this particular variable will take. Yeah, it means in the starting itself, you had to declare the type of variable. That, let's say, for example, int a. What does it mean? This means this a will be holding the integer value. But Python says that I don't require to have this. I don't require this phenomena. Instead of this, what you can do, you please provide the value to the variable. You please provide the value to the variable, and according to the value, I'll decide the data type of the variable. According to the value, I'll decide the data type of the variable. So for example, here everyone, see, if I'm writing x equals to 7, x equals to 7. So in this case, what type of data this x is holding, everyone? Yeah, Raif, Akbar, integer, isn't? Because 7 is what? Integer. So if you run this, and if you see the type of the x, if you see the type of the x, can you see here, everyone, that this x is considered as a integer data type? Yes. So in the Python, you don't require to declare. In the Python, you don't require to declare the data type of a variable. The data type will automatically be installed. The data type will automatically be considered according to the value taken, according to the value hold. Same way you can see here that if I take a equals to 7.2, isn't a equals to 7.2. So you can see here that in this case, your a is taking decimal. Your a is having the float value. Now, if you see the type of the a, if you see the type of the a, see it is taking float now. It is taking float. Makes sense, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Another, let's say I'm taking a variable b, and b equals to, I'm writing skills rabo. You know, b equals to skills rabo. So everyone, you know, now if you will see the type of b, let me ask it. So Mr. Rajesh, what should be the answer if I write type of b then? What should be the answer? Who will tell me?
Yeah, it's a string.
It is going to be a string. Yeah. str is used to represent the string. Now, if I take another variable y, and y equals to, I am taking false. Y equals to false. So what is the type of y, everyone?
Boolean.
Boolean. Isn't? Boolean means either true or false. Either it is going to be a true or false, because it's a Boolean. Yes. So I'm just writing a type of y. See? Okay. Now, very interesting concept I'm going to discuss. But before that, any question here? Any question? So Tarun, any question?
No, sir, no.
Okay. Siva, Suresh, Sayed, Sudatul, Rajesh, Raif.
No question.
Okay. Alia, Arya. Okay. Now, another concept is really very interesting, and that is called as the typecasting. Typecasting means, please remember, or you can note it down. Typecasting means converting from one data type into another. Yeah, this is called as typecasting. For example, let's say everyone, I have one variable x1. I have one variable x1 and its value is 5.2. I have this variable 5.2. Now I want to convert this into integer. I want to convert this into integer. So whenever you want to convert from one into another, from one data type into another data type, that conversion is called as typecasting. So here, I want to convert this x1 into integer. And you can see here that right now, it is the float one. So how we will do that? Simple. See. So you want to do typecasting for the x1. So you will keep that x1 inside the bracket. You will keep this x1 inside the bracket, and then outside of this bracket, you'll be writing int. Yeah, you'll be writing int, and let's say I'm taking this variable in a y variable. Fine. If I show you this y1, can you see the floating point have been resolved, and now you are seeing only the integer part. You are seeing the integer part. Clear, everyone? Any question? Hmm. Yeah. So in this way, we can work upon. In this way, we can work upon the variables and the typecasting. So any question from anyone so far? All right. Now even I'll show you one option, one example. Let's say I'm taking x. x2 equals to input, and I'm writing here, in this input, I'm writing enter any number. Enter any number, and then in the x3, I'm writing again enter another number. Okay. Enter any another number, and this also for this will be taking the input function. That means the input we are going to take from the user. Here, the input we are going to take from the user. Yes. Now everyone, let's say I'm taking another variable z, and in this z, I'm going to write x2 plus x3. I'm going to write x2 plus x3, and let me write here print z. Okay. Now if I run this, it is asking for the x2 now. It is asking for the x2. I wrote 5. Now it is asking for the another number, x3. I'm again writing 5. So what should be the answer here? Yeah, Miss Alia, what should be the answer? Yeah. So what should be the answer here? The first number I have written 5, and the another I have written 5. So x2 value I have given 5, x3 value I have given 5. So what should be the answer, or what should be the value of z, everyone? Yeah, Akbar. Okay, Suresh is saying 10. Yeah, Mr. Suresh has said 10. Today, run it, Mr. Suresh. Akbar, why 25? Why 25? Okay. So here, Suresh has said 10. Now if I press enter, what is the answer we are getting, Suresh? What is the answer we are getting? 55. We're getting 55. That means the moment we took this value, it is not taking them as number. It is taking them as a string. It is taking them as a string. That means the moment you'll be taking this input function, this by default gives you a string. So even though you are entering the number, but still because of the input function, it will be taken as a string. So what we will do typecasting of this. We'll just simply typecast this into integer. We'll simply typecast this into integer. Yeah. So see, now if I run this, 5, 5, 10. I hope that would have make sense, everyone. Just try this first. Just try this first, and if you face any error, do let me know. Otherwise, we will move further. Try this first, everyone. Try this. I'm waiting for your call. Okay, so Mallikarjun have done. What about the others? Please try this. So once you are done, do let me know. Okay. So Mallikarjun have done. I'm waiting for others. Yeah. I hope this is done, everyone. Okay. So my dear friends, if I just brief that whatever we have done, so simple, you can see that. See, this input was giving the string value. Since I wanted to convert this into integer, so what I did, I just simply put them inside the bracket, and then before this bracket, I was writing the type in which I wanted to convert this. Yeah, I wanted to convert this. So dear friends, in this way, we just perform the typecasting, isn't? Now, just to perform the operation, you will require operators, isn't? You will require operators. So let me, talk about the operators. So, the first operator we have, it is called as arithmetic operator. The first operator is the arithmetic operator. So what are the arithmetic operator? Who will tell everyone? What are the arithmetic operator? See, simple, whichever will be performing the arithmetic operation. And you know, in the arithmetic operation, we'll have what? We'll have the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This we know, isn't? So performing the addition will have plus, performing the subtraction will have the minus, performing for the multiplication we will have multiplication, and performing for division we will have this one. Yeah. In addition to this, so this is clear to everyone. In addition to this, let me find out the remainder. Let me find out the remainder. Just to find out the remainder, we'll be using modulo operator. For find out the remainder, we'll be taking the modulo operator. Isn't? And this modulus operator is represented through percentage sign. Isn't? Now let's say I'm taking one variable A and its value I'm taking 15. Okay. And another, that is B, its value I'm taking 4. Now I'm printing A percentile, A percentage B. What will be the answer, everyone? If I print A percentage B, what will be the answer here, Tarun? Yeah, let me ask it to say Arya. Arya, what will be the answer here?
3.
3. Okay. Anyone else? Akbar is saying 2.66. What about others? Mallikarjun, Raif. Okay. Yeah. So it is going to be 3. Isn't why? Because this modulo operator is going to return the remainder. This modulo operator is going to return the remainder. So obviously, if you will divide 15 by 4, what will be the remainder, everyone? What will be the remainder?
3.
Obviously, 3, isn't? Yeah. Okay. So not only this, if I simple take here, I'm writing a print A /B. Now what is the answer, everyone? Tell me. What is the answer?
15/4.
No, I'm taking double slash.
3 only.
Huh? So this is going to give you the floor division.
This is going to give you the floor division. Now, guys, if you divide 15 by 4, if you divide 15 by 4,
Give 3 only.
no. Yeah, yes, it is going to be 3. Let me make it 17, just for the sake of change. Let's make it 17. So 17 by 4, what will be the answer? 17 by 4. The answer is going to be 4.25.
4.
Yeah, 4.25. This double slash will be doing floor division. This double slash is going to do the floor division. So when I'm talking about the floor division, that means what? That means whatever the value that will be coming before float, the value that will be coming before decimal, it is going to be the floor value. Yep. So if I take here 17 double slash 4, see? So this is going to give you the integer part only. And this is called as floor division. This is called as floor division. I hope makes sense. Now everyone, 23 floor division 4. What will be the answer?
Five.
It is going to be the 5. Now, the another operator is comparison operator. The another operator is comparison operator. So whenever you do comparison, so do you get any number? Do you get any value? Or you get yes or no, true or false? So what is the comparison operator? What is the comparison operator? Let's say I'm writing x equals to 5. Okay. And I'm writing y equals to 3. Now, if I write print x is less than y, x is less than y. So guys, it is correct or incorrect?
False.
It is going to be false, isn't? Why? Because the value of x is 5 and y value is 3. And you're doing comparison. When the comparison will be correct, then the result will be true. Otherwise, it is going to be false. See? Yeah. So this is how the comparison is done. So comparison could be anything. Comparison could be the equality also. Equality means, let's say, I'm trying to now check print x is greater than y. Now, what will be the answer, everyone? In this case, what will be the answer? What is the value of x? 5. And what is the value of y? 3. So obviously 5 is greater than 3. So whenever there is a correct answer, it is going to be true. It is going to be true. Yeah. So the comparison operator could be what? The comparison operator could be the equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than equals to, and less than equals to. They will be used in the same way. And I said that whenever you'll be doing comparison operator, whenever you'll be using comparison operator, somewhere they will be doing comparison, and the answer or the result is going to be returned in case of, or in uh, the Boolean value. The result is going to be there in the Boolean form, true or false. Okay, everyone? Yeah. After this comparison operator, we have the another one, and that is called as assignment operator. Assignment operator. You know what is assignment operator, everyone? Who can answer? What is the assignment operator?
Assigning a
Assignment.
value to a variable
Assigning a value to a
equal to
variable.
variable.
Yeah, ma'am. So let's say, for example, I'm writing here x equals to 5, for example, isn't? And then yeah, I'm writing x equals to x plus 5. I'm writing x equals to x plus 5. What does it mean? It means whatever value x was having, I have assigned 5 more into this. I have assigned 5 more into this, and this has become x equals to x plus 5. Now, if I print this x, see, initially the value of x is 5. Now I've added 5 into this, and it have become 10. It have become 10. Yeah. In the same way, what we can do? In the same way, we can write x equals to x minus 2. Yeah. If you run this now, it's a 8. Because the latest value of x is what? Now this is not 5. This have become 10. Isn't? So just because of this latest value 10, the moment I did x equals to x minus 2, it is showing you the 8 instead of 3. Okay. Now, everyone, let's say I'm writing x equals to 5 and I'm now writing x double slash equals to 3. What will be the answer? What is going to be the answer here? Who will tell me? So basically, this could be rewritten as x equals to x double slash 3. So even if I ask you now, what will be the answer, everyone? What will be the answer? Why this double slash is used? Why this double slash is used, everyone?
Floor division.
Floor division, isn't Dr. Arti? So here, what we will do. So it is saying that X value will be the floor, whatever you will be getting as a floor division, isn't? So what is the X value? Is 5. If you do divide by 3, then what should be the floor division answer, Dr. Arti?
1.
1, isn't? Yeah. So in this way we work, isn't? In this way we work. So you can see here that we have worked on the assignment, comparison, and the arithmetic operators. Yeah. So this was all about the today's session. And as I've said to you that we'll be covering till 2.5 hours, and then the rest half an hours will be taking it as a revision plus doubt clearing session. So before having the recap, everyone, if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, then please ask me.
Tiwari, I had a small doubt for you actually.
Sorry?
What's the thing? Sorry, I had a small doubt for you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. What's my doubt, Tiwari, here? We are practicing in Jupyter, correct? What's my doubt? Can we practice same in UA model, like prepare code in UA, I mean Visual Studio, and execute that in some other area, like in browsers? Can we do like that in Python?
Yeah, we can work on Google Colab.
No, not in Google Apps. Like UA, example in Visual Studio, we will prepare code. We will see output in browser.
Okay.
I'm expecting like that. Can we do or not?
No. Mallikarjunji, you can use VS Code, but that VS Code means I am not comfortable. But yes, you can.
It's my doubt. It's my doubt. Can we or not?
No.
No. Okay. Because in Jupyter, we given input boxes. Example, we use input, correct? What I'm expecting, we'll prepare same in Visual Studio, and we will execute in browser. In browser, like form, we'll give input there and we'll get output.
See,
can I expect like that?
That is not possible
Not
in the
possible.
basic.
Yeah.
Okay. But Mallikarjunji, if you know Python Flask, or what you can do, you can design form in the HTML.
Yeah.
And then when you will give the input, when you will be giving the value, you will take the button. When you will click on it, the answer will be given.
That's
so
cool.
Here, basically, your HTML and Python Flask both will be working.
Thank you on that. For clarify my doubt. Thank you.
Okay. So, any other question, Mr. Mallikarjun?
No, worry. My doubt clear.
Okay.
Thank you on that.
So, Mr. Rajesh, any question do you have?
No, sir.
Okay. So, Akbar, Mr. Akbar, any question?
Sir, after break, I am not able to understand because this is my first time. I need to practice more and more on this.
See, I understand this is the first time, and this is why, this is my humble request to everyone. Wherever you stuck, wherever you got the question, please knock me immediately so that I can resolve your issue at the same time. So we'll not be carrying your doubt. Yeah, you'll not be carrying your doubt. So what was your doubt, Mr. Akbar? Tell me.
Sir, I understood everything that what is syntax, flow, you have told about syntax,
See, syntax is something like no, like whenever you use formula. So in the same way, we have the syntax. Yeah. So, you know, like means like whenever you have the formula, you have to use them accordingly. In the same way, syntax is also, you can consider that this is just like a formula to write your Python code. So you'll have to follow it. Yeah. So now whatever we were working, let's say we are working on the comparison operator, taking the input, displaying the output. We were working on the assignment operator. So wherever you have the question, you please ask.
Sure.
Right now, any question, Mr. Akbar?
No, I will go to
Yeah.
recording once again and definitely get back to this.
Yes. Please go through with the recording again, and then you can ask me. So tomorrow, for the first 10 minutes, I'll be taking your doubts. I'm talking about everyone. Just go through with it. Because you know what I have planned? Mr. Hassan, can you unmute yourself and ask the question? If you could show the result of the formula and how it will show for the end user. I didn't get your question.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Hello, everyone. Actually, I came late and I saw watching the videos in the middle lecture. So I'll be waiting for the video to from your side to so that I can start over from the beginning. But I want to ask you, okay, you put the formula, okay, for the end user in Python, how it will show for the end user. Uh, I know this one SQL I have learned before SQL C++, but after you putting the formula, how the screen will be pop up and what they will see the end user, the means the person who is using the how it will show it to them, not for us. We are creating a program for them, the person who will be using the software, how it will show in his screen.
Actually, in that regard, if you're discussing, so Mr. Hassan, right now you can then consider that right now we have not, started to work in that manner. You can consider that right now, whatever we are discussing, for end user, it will be black box. End user is not going to see anything because, see, if you want to showcase anything to the end user, you should have the web page. Isn't? You should have the web page where if he will put any particular value, he will be getting the result. Yes.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that we are not going to do right now. Even not only right now, even in the session 2. See why? What is the purpose? Because the course that we are going to cover, the things that we are going to cover, it is totally aligned with the data analysis. It is totally aligned with the data science, isn't? So where
yes.
development will not come into picture.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Because
Mr. Hassan, even right now, what we will be doing will be just understanding the basic concepts of that, how we can write the program. Then after, we will move into data analysis. Isn't?
okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is why will not be going into that part, because the imagination that you are having, it could be done if we'll be using Python Flask or Python Django with the help of the HTML. But this is not our concern, because instead of the Django or Flask, our concern is to work with the NumPy pandas. Our concern is to work with the sklearn, scikit-learn, and the matplotlib.
Okay, okay.
I hope I have answered your question.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
So I have question. Why we are not using Python Django and Python Flask, and why we are using a different Python?
See,
What
because
it makes
because
difference?
because our aim is not to create any website. Our aim is not to create any web page. Our aim is that we should understand the Python basics, and this basics skills we can use to do the analysis of the data. We can use it for the analysis of the data. So you can consider in this way, Mr. Hassan, that in the starting, we'll be learning the basics of the Python, and this basics of the Python could be similar to everyone. Yep. But once
Yes.
we would have covered this Python basics, then the path will be changed. The path will be changed. For the Python developer, they will be learning the another libraries. For the tester, they will be learning the another libraries. For the data analyst, they will be learning another libraries.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is why we are not focusing towards the the Flask or the Django or the Alchemy or any other libraries.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah.
Clear.
So because see, for the end user, whatever kind of front end is to be designed, this is the job of the developer, not a data
Yeah.
analyst. Isn't?
Okay, okay.
So that's why we
Yes.
will not bother about it. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Hmm?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So even in your question, I think Mallikarjun ji, your answer is have been repeating,
Exactly.
isn't? Yeah.
Exactly.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, any other one? Any question?
No, no.
Okay. So Miss Alia, any question? Dr. Aarti?
No, thank you.
No, sir.
Okay. Mr. Raif, any question? Okay, Mr. Rajesh, Siva, Mr. Suresh, any question? All right. So, since it was the first day, so to be very frank and honest, I was not intended to bombard all the concept in the first day, to be very frank and honest. Yeah. So we'll be taking pace, but not in the first week itself. Yes. But somewhere my intention was just to make you comfortable with the, Jupyter interface. So everyone, if I just talk about that, what we have done today. So yes, you can see that first of all, we have seen that how to install the Anaconda for the system, isn't? Then we simply started with the that how we can give a normal message. Then we have seen that how exactly the operation could be performed directly by giving the value to the variable. Then we saw that, see, the limitation of this variable is that it will be working only for the particular value. But if you want to get the value from the user end, then we'll be using the function that is input. Yeah. By default, this input function gives you the string, takes the values as string. So that's why what we did, we're just taking this integer, which is actually doing the typecasting of the input function. Yeah. So we have seen the typecasting. After that typecasting, we were talking about the operator. In this operator, we have seen about the arithmetic operator, and especially we talked about the modulo and the flow division. This modulo is going to return us the remainder, and the flow division is going to give us only the integer part. Isn't? Then we were talking about the comparison operator. This comparison operator will, whatever comparison operator will be working upon, it will always be returning the Boolean value. Yep. So either true or the false. Then we were talking about the assignment operator, and here also we have seen that how we can increment the value or we can decrement the value. Yeah. So this was the thing that we have discussed today. Although I know that there is very less to recap it today, but yes, the more you will be completing the sessions, the recap is going to be heavily populated. So with this word, everyone, I'll just stop here. Yeah, I'll just stop here. Let's meet tomorrow, and tomorrow we will be keeping a bit pace onto the learning. Meanwhile, I'll suggest you that please go through with the recording, or I'll share this whatever we have done, and then tomorrow we'll move further. Yeah. So thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Not for 2.5 hours, Mr. Suresh. What I have said that the 2.5 hours will be taking for course coverage. Yes. The next half an hour will be taking for the recap of whatever we have done, plus revision. Yeah. Means recap plus doubt clearing, isn't? Because we are around 10. We are around 10. So I don't want that everybody should be ending this session with their doubt. Okay. And you guys, if yes, the total is going to be 3 hours. Yes. Now I hope I have answered your question, Mr. Suresh. Yeah. Weekends, Saturday, Sunday, 10 to 1, 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. Yes, 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Yeah. Okay. So everyone, bye-bye. Take care. Good night. Good night, everyone.